Hi everyone, my name is Anya Chrisanthon and I'm the host of the New Construction Marketing Podcast. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you used Pinterest? No, I don't mean to get outfit ideas or recipes, although that's all good. I mean, have you used Pinterest to help you sell more homes? How, you ask? Well, have you ever heard a saying, picture's worth 1,000 words? Pinterest is all visual. And in fact, over 90% of all information transmitted to your brain is visual. So that's why Pinterest is perfect for selling new homes. Most people are very visual. They want to see it. They want to feel it. And what better way to show them than Pinterest? Still not convinced? Well, let me give you some stats here. Pinterest currently has over 70 million users and growing every single day. Pinterest is also responsible for sending more leads to websites than YouTube, Google+, and LinkedIn combined. So that's definitely a reason to use Pinterest. If you're not currently using it as part of your strategy, give it a go. First thing I want you to think of is that Pinterest is not a social media. Pinterest is a search engine. That means you have to be cognizant about the keywords that you're using to describe your pins. Think about your ideal customer and what they're searching for. That brings me to point number 2. You want to make sure that not only you're using keywords to describe your pictures, but you also want to make sure that every single picture is linked back to your website. The whole goal here is to drive traffic back to your website. You want people to find you via the keywords and then take them back to your website. When you're creating boards, you want to think about it as not your interests, but interests of your potential customers. So what are they searching for? For example, you could include beautiful kitchens. You could have a board for landscaping ideas. You can have a board for man cave inspiration. You can have a board dedicated to your local area. For example, 10 things to do in Asheville, North Carolina. You can have before and after showcasing progress of construction. People love to see that. And you can even dedicate a board to financing, dispelling myths about new construction financing. The best part about creating boards is that you don't have to do it all by yourself. Collaboration boards is another great idea. You can team up with your vendors to showcase their work in your homes. Just like any social media, consistency is the key here. So you want to make sure that you're pinning consistently. That's going to help the algorithm to push your pins forward. And also the algorithm is going to help you if your content is being repinned. So you definitely want to make it irresistible. Make sure you're using professional photos and make them as appealing as possible. Again. All right, you guys, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you're not currently using Pinterest as part of your strategy, give it a shot. Thank you so much to Kimberly and New Home Solutions for featuring me in today's video. Bye.